Okay guys, so here we are again, and we want to open this up, heating this gently. And you want to open this up like a book because of the cables. So just like a 7 Plus. And there you got it. See guys? Alrighty. Next step is your pentalobe screwdrivers. It's right here. These are the regular screws. Take this off. Keep all these in order. You can see that. 2, 3. These are all the plates that hold down the cables. I just wanted to check the LCD, everything's still good. See it? And I want to shut this down. Always power off your device and disconnect the battery. This uses a Y tool to disconnect the camera. So if you don't have one of those, definitely get one of those. You're going to need it for 7s and 7 Pluses on up. Okay. And we're going to disconnect the battery, which is this little guy here. And how you can test it, there's no power, see? They're kind of confusing, there's a bunch of different little ones. Now we can disconnect the LCD. Okay. Take a little guitar pick. Pop that off. Perfect. Alright guys, that's the disassembly of the LCD. Then you have to take all the parts off and transfer over. That'll be another video. Alright guys, thanks again. Go to fixitproz.com if you need something, ask questions, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Have a great day.